This is a demo for recursive function, fall 2010, Nosratala Nesofati, online COSC 1436. You are asked to write a C++ program that would prompt the user and would ask for an integer value to be inputted. Then you want to print the integer and its reverse as the output. And here's the example of the final run of your program. Write a program that reads in an integer from the keyboard and then call a recursive function to print it out in reverse. Example would be if you enter 4762, it will print the original number and also its reverse 2674. Just like a cookbook, have your include statement using namespace. The prototype declaration for this function is void print reverse long original. Notice the type void, since you are not returning anything out of this function and you are passing a long integer original in the form of a value to this function. Here is your main. Again, at the beginning of the program, you output start of the demo recursive. Please enter an integer and you're reading your original and you print the original on the next line. Then you print the message the reverse number is, and you call the reverse print reverse passing to it the original. And then you end your program. Here is the reverse function. Again, the function definition starts with type of the function, void for print reverse. You are passing to it a long num. If the num not 0, then you want to output the last digit of the number. That's where you use the mod operator. And then you call the function print reverse and pass to it num divided by 10. Since num is integer and 10 is integer, the number you pass to the function is an integer. And you keep calling this till you get to 0 at the end, where n is equal, number is equal to 0. Then you don't have anything and you return out of the function. So let's walk through this function. Let's say that the user entered a number 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you call to the function, is the number 0? No, the number is 1, 2, 3, 4. You output the mod of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 10, which is 4. And then you call the reverse function, which you have to divide 1, 2, 3, 4 by 10. And the result would be an integer 1, 2, 3, 123. Is the number 0? No, it's 123. And now you're outputting 123 mod 10, which would be 3. And you call the print reverse 123 divided by 10, which is 12. Is num equal 0? No, the num is 12. And you output 12 mod 10, which is 2, and call the print reverse function with 1. Now you have the number which is 1 tested against 0. You do 1 mod 10. This time you get 1, and when you call the print reverse, 1 divided by 10, both are integer, you get integer 0. This time the number is 0, so you are not calling your reverse print reverse function no more. Okay, now you return to the main. Notice the function does not return any value That is why the type is void. You just keep printing one digit at a time from left to right of the print position. And that is the end.